Kambi mar wuoth mar Viutravel biro bedo katayo wuodhe duto mar kambi mar okumba mar thieth mar AAR. Magi ne oyangi bang' ogirimit mane kambi mar okumba mar thieth mar AAR ochwe kogno kod Viutravel. E kinde nyasino, kambi mar AAR bende ne ochiwo mich ne agents mag-gi mosebedo katimo kata kachulo tijegi e yo makare. Mich ma kamano riwo wuoth mar juma achiel e piny Singapore kod Malaysia.
This is just another way of, the corporates out there and the people out there to see what we can do. There is more we do other than incentive travel. As Viutravel, we focus more on, the wholesome logistics, from team buildings to business travel, to even just booking flights to any destination, domestically or internationally. So this is AAR giving us this confidence and trust, and entrusting us with this important trip of theirs shows, what Viutravel stands for in the industry.
I'd like to first thank AAR for organizing this amazing trip for us. The partners who have been with them last year and who have probably given good business, and this is the incentive tour that they're giving us, and the itinerary also looks so amazing. I'm really looking forward to that.
We have partnered with Viutravel. We really appreciate the support they've offered us in terms of organizing for the travel, getting us all the arrangement, itinerary, and we think that we have a right partner in that space. We've started using Viutravel even for other travels that we have, and we have experienced a significant improvement in terms of speed, efficiency, and value, actually, and even learning about new places and new areas that we can be able to visit, both for official trips and for the business trips, official trips, and the trips that we just want to have for our staff, either team buildings.